Good morning students. Welcome to first PUC Science. In the first class of physics, today we will see bridge course. Bridge course means some basic terms related to mathematics. These are the basic terms we need for physics. Actually these are the mathematical concepts. Let us see some basic concept concerned to mathematics. Let us see. First concept is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Let us see here. Quadratic equation means the equation of degree 2 or the equation of form ax square plus bx plus c. That equation we are calling quadratic equation. How it is? The equation of form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This equation we are calling quadratic equation. Here I said that equation of degree 2 ax square plus bx plus c. X is the first degree, x square is second degree. That equation we are calling quadratic equation. In this equation a, b, c are constant values. A, B, C are constant values and x is the variable value. X is variable value. Then what is the solution of quadratic equation? Idar solution anna henge bariತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Solution of quadratic equation is x equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2. ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು x ನ ಬೆಲೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಆ x ನ ಬೆಲೆನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ? x equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is solution of quadratic equation. Students, let us see some examples for quadratic equation. You can solve so many examples. I mean, in this equation we need the value of x. Here the value of x has the two values. The two value you can find from so many examples. Let us see one of the examples for quadratic equation. What we said that in this equation a, b, c are the constant values, right? And the solution of this equation is x is equal to this value. Let us see few examples concerned to quadratic equation. Let us see students here. First example is x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. In this equation we need to find the value of x. Here how this equation looks like? This equation looks like ax square plus bx plus c, right? Here anything is the should be equal to 1 value. Shall I take? Here 1 can be replaced by a equal to 1, right? B can be replaced by minus 5, B can be replaced by minus 5, and C can be replaced by how much? C can be replaced by plus 4, right? These are what? A, B, C. A, B, C are constant values. Now solution of quadratic equation can be written by this formula. What formula you got actually? See here. X equal to minus b plus or minus under root of how much? Under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by how much? That is 2a. Right. How to solve the value of x here? Let us say a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, c equal to plus 4. Shall we take here? X equal to how much? b equal to minus 5 into minus, that becomes plus 5, right? Plus or minus under b, what is b? B equal to how much? Minus 5 square how much? That is 25 minus 4 into A. A equal to how much? That is 1. C equal to how much? C equal to how much? That is plus 4. Right? Whole divided by how much? That is 2 into A. A equal to 1. Right? Now let us take the value of x here. How to solve? X equal to 5 plus or minus. See here, 4 into 4, 16. 24 minus 16. How much? 25 minus 16. That is 9. Whole divided by how much? That is 2. Right? Again, shall I take x equal to plus or minus under root of 9. That become 3 whole divided by 2. Right thing? See here. Here plus or minus values are there. Plus or minus. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 2. X equal to how much? X equal to 4. Right? Next. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 how much? 2. 2 by 2 equal to 1. X equal to how much? That is 1. In quadratic equation, we found two values. Two values of x. One value is 4, another value is 1. This is one example. You can take one more example. One more example concerned to quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Let us see the second example here. How to take the second example? Second example is x square minus 9x plus 14. Second example is x square minus 9x plus 14 equal to 0. Which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Writing. See here students. Again here a equal to 1 value, b equal to minus 9 value, c equal to 14. Shall I take? A equal to much 1. A ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟದ 1. B minus 9. C equal to 15. Right? How to form the solution of quadratic equation? Quadratic equation are this one. Again, let us form this one. No. X equal to minus b plus or minus. Right? Under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now solution form ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Let us try by putting these values. I will form the solution. Right. See here. Shall I take x equal to minus b rest 9 other minus 9 plus 9 plus or minus हम get करी under root of b equal to 9 square, right? Minus 4a equal to 1. C mean how much? 50. Whole divided by how much? 2a. A replaced by what value? 1 value. Let us solve this here. Plus or minus values are there. Plus or minus values. Solve this. If you found this value, x equal to 9 plus or minus under root of 9 square minus 4 into 14 divided by 2a. See here. X equal to 2 and x is equal to 7 values. 2 values are comes here. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದ? X is equal to 1, 2 ಸಿಗ್ತದ, x is equal to 7 ಸಿಗ್ತದ. This is what some basic mathematics we need for physics in upcoming chapter. This is one of the concepts. What it is? Quadratic equation. Using quadratic equation, we can solve so many examples. Not only 2, you can solve number of examples by writing this form: x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Right. Let us take one more concept here. One more concept we need for physics. Students, now ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅದರ ಹೆಸರು ಲೊಗಾರಿಥಮ್ಸ್. Let us take what is logarithms. Logarithms. Now ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಲಘು ಗುಣಕ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಲಘು ಗುಣಕ. Concept of logarithm, how to learn, students. See here, I will take an equation. A raised to x equal to m. This is what equation? A raised to x equal to m. Here, x is called logarithm of m to the base a. x ಅನ್ನ m ಅದ ಲಘು ಗುಣಕ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಸ್ಲೆ? a ಅನ್ನು ಬೇಸ್ಲೆ. What is the logarithm? If a raised to x equal to m, then x is called logarithm of m to the base a. x ಅನ್ನ m ಅದ ಲಘು ಗುಣಕ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಸ್ಲೆ? a ಅನ್ನು ಬೇಸ್ಲೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? See here, a raised to x equal to m, then how to write? Logarithm of m to the base a equal to x. How to write this? Logarithm of m to the base a equal to x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಅನ್ನ m ದ ಲಘು ಗುಣಕ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. For example, shall I take here, students? I will take 2 raised to 6 or 2 raised to 4. I will take 2 raised to 4 equal to 60. Right? How to write this actually? 2 into 2 into 2 equal to how much? 60. How many times it is multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times multiply. 4 ಸಲ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ. 4 is called a logarithm of 16 to the base 2. What it is? What form it is? A raised to x equal to m. 2 raised to 4 equal to 16. Here 4 is called a logarithm of 16 to the base 2. 4 ಅನ್ನ 16 ದ ಲಘು ಗುಣಕ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಸ್ಲೆ? 2 ಅನ್ನು ಬೇಸ್ಲೆ. Then how to write this? See here. How to write? Logarithm of 2 to the 16 equal to 14. Equal to 4. How to write? Logarithm of 16 to the base 2 equal to 14. This is what? Logarithm. One more example I will take. See here, students. How to write? 3 raised to 3 equal to how much? 27. Equal to 27 here. How to write this actually? 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 27. How many times multiply? 1, 2, 3. Here 3 is called a logarithm of 27 to the base 3. 3 ಅನ್ನ 27 ಅಂತ ಲಘು ಗುಣಕ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಸ್ಲೆ? 3 ಅನ್ನು ಬೇಸ್ಲೆ. See here, again how to write this value? This value can be written logarithm of 27 to the base 3 equal to how much? Right? What it is? The equation of form a raised to x equal to m, then x is called a logarithm of m to the base a. Right, students? But here, this logarithm, there are 2 types of system of logarithms. System of logarithm we will see. See here. System of logarithm. System of logarithm. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಘು ಗುಣಕದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇನ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ. logarithm ಲಘು ಗುಣಕದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇದೆ. See students. There are 2 system of logarithms. One is natural logarithm and second one is common logarithm. How it is? 2 system of logarithms are there. One is the natural logarithm. And second one is common logarithm. logarithm. Two system of logarithm. Then what is the natural logarithm? What is common logarithm? ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಲಘುಗುಣಕ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಲಘುಗುಣಕ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೈಸರ್ಗಿಕ ಲಘುಗುಣಕ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Natural logarithm, common logarithm. Natural logarithm means the logarithm to the base e. Natural logarithm means the logarithm to the base e, that we are calling natural logarithm. How this is actually? See here, how to read this? Logarithm of 16 to the base 2 equal to 40. I mean this format is, see here, e raised to x equal to m. E raised to x equal to x is called logarithm of m to the base e. What base is there? E base is there. How to write this? See here, logarithm of m to the base e equal to how much? That is x. This logarithm, what we are calling? Natural logarithm. Natural means logarithm to the base e. ಯಾವ ಲಘುಗುಣಕದ ಬೇಸ್ e ಆಗಿರ್ತದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ logarithm ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Logarithm to the base e, that we are called natural logarithm. Then what is common logarithm? Common logarithm means logarithm to the base 10. Logarithm to the base 10, that we are calling common logarithm. How this is? Shall I take example? Then we will see common logarithm here. Students, shall I take here? I will take 10 raised to 2 equal to how much? That is 100. Then how to write? 2 is called a logarithm of 100 to the base 10. Are you getting this? How to write this then? Logarithm of 100 to the base 10 equal to how much? That is 2. What this is? Logarithm of base 10. This we are calling common logarithm. ಯಾವ ಲಘುಗುಣಕದ ಬೇಸ್ 10 ಆಗಿರ್ತದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕಾಮನ್ logarithm ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಲಘುಗುಣಕದ ಬೇಸ್ e ಆಗಿರ್ತದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ logarithm ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ e? ಈ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗಿರ್ತದ ನೋಡೋಣ. e equal to this value 2.713. This is constant. Equal to 2.713. It is constant value of this. Then see students, we said that a raised to x equal to m. Then x is called logarithm of m to the base 3. But this natural logarithm can be converted into common logarithm. How to convert? Actually, shall I take natural logarithm? How to write? Natural logarithm can be written like this: logarithm of m to the base e equal to x. This natural logarithm can be converted into common logarithm. Natural logarithm can be converted into common logarithm. How to convert? This can be converted. This can be converted. Actually, what it is? Natural logarithm. Then how to convert this into common logarithm? This can be converted. This can be converted to common logarithm as 2.303 log to the base m of 10 equal to x. This is what? Common logarithm. What are calling this? Common logarithm. Natural logarithm can be converted into common logarithm by this value. Andra ಒಂದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ logarithm ಅನ್ನು ಕಾಮನ್ logarithm ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ 2.303 ಲೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ? logarithm to the base e ಇದ್ದು logarithm to the base 10 ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. Right? How to convert? This is what conversion of natural logarithm into common logarithm by replacing e by 10 and by multiplying 2.303. But students, we want to see some standard formula for mathematics. Standard formula for logarithm also. Let us see what are the standard formula for logarithms. See here, those formulas are already proved in the mathematics, but let us see here. Let us take standard formulae. Standard formulae of logarithms. Standard formula for logarithms. These are the formulas just remind, we will prove in the mathematics. Students, first formula is logarithm to the base e of m by n. M by n. This formula can be written logarithm of m to the base e minus of logarithm of n to the base e. That is logarithm of m by n to the base e equal to logarithm of m to the base e minus logarithm of n to the base e. Second one I take logarithm to the base e m raised to n. M raised to n. This equal to n logarithm of m to the base e. Right? This is standard formula. How to write this? How to read this? Logarithm of m raised to n to the base e equal to n logarithm of m to the base e. Right? One more formula. Logarithm of m into n. M into n equal to logarithm of m to the base e plus logarithm of e to the base n. Right? And one more formula is actually. That is standard value, not the formula, standard value. Logarithm to the base a of a equal to 1. Equal to 1. And one more. Logarithm to the base e of 1 equal to 0. This is one more formula. Value actually is logarithm of a to the base a equal to 1, logarithm of 1 to the base e equal to 0. These are some standard formula we need for logarithms, and we need also in physics in upcoming chapters. So let us see some basic concept concerned to mathematics in the next class. Thank you.